Okay, let's look at how to do this question that we have done over the past lesson. This is the DUT question. DUT stands for D, U, D. The first D would be the difference. Difference in what value? It's the difference in the total value. Followed by U, representing the units that's given. Followed by D again, which is another difference, but this difference is in individual value. Let's look at how we can apply to this question. Let's read the question first. The question says, John bought 60% as many plates as cups. 60% as many plates as cups would represent the units over here. Units. Okay? Sometimes they might jumble up the information. Don't get confused. As long as you find all three information inside, it will be the DUT question. The next information that's given is that each plate cost $1.50 more than a cup. Okay, so many of you would be like, oh, okay, I'm going to start using this information, but please do not, because this information doesn't give you enough to move on to anything at all. We will go by the sequence that we have written on the board right now. Okay, so first part, we will do the difference in the total value, followed by the units. Then lastly, we will deal with the difference in the individual value. Do not jump steps, you will get confused. Okay, then lastly, they said that he spent $146 in all. The amount he spent on cups was $14 more than the amount that he spent on plates. That is the difference in our total value. So with this information, we have to know that it is the DUT. Difference in the total, difference in the individual, and that they give you units also. Again, do not skip the steps. Go by step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, difference in total value. So difference in total value is something that I told you that you could have done this in lower primary. Okay, $14 on cups, then on plates. Cups, plates. Total, 14. Difference, total difference I mean. 146 in total. Now, can we find the individual value? We can. $146 minus $14, which gives us $132. $132 divided by 2, giving us $66. The plates over here would cost $66. How about the cups? The cups would cost $66 divided by plus $14. $80. Alright, we are done with our first information. Cups, plates. So I'm done with this part. Difference in total value. Done. Let's go to units now. The question says that John bought 60% as many plates as cups. Okay, this is less straightforward. Most of the time, the question will give you like a fraction or like a ratio. But do not worry, convert this into fraction. 60% I can convert into 60 over 100. That means 60% as many plates, 60 units of plates, 100 units of cups. However, am I really going to write 60 and 100? Too big a value, right? So let's simplify. It is equivalent to 3 over 5. Divide by 20. Divide by 20. Okay, so I know that for my plates, I have got 3 units. So I'm going to draw 3 units. 1, 2, 3. And my cups, I have got 5 units over here. Earlier, we have found that the total value for plates is equivalent to $66. I'm going to use the information over here. I'm going to input the value, $66 here. Cups, from here to here, is equivalent to $80, as we have found above over here, $66 and $80. Now, this is our second step, units. So we have to go and figure out, right, this units. Each of the unit has an individual value. This has a value of 22. How did I get 22? 66 divided by 3. Cups has a value of 16. How did I get 16? 80 divided by 5. Okay, so right now, I can redraw these units. Plates and cups. 1 unit of plate and 1 unit of cup. But instead of writing 22 inside here, I'm gonna split my plates. So this entire thing would be my plates. Let's pick another color for plates. Okay, assuming they were both the same price, the plates would be $16, $16. Okay, however, it is not. The plate is more expensive, as written over here. Each plate costs $15 more than a cup. So at this stage, we are done with our units, and we are going into the difference in individual value now. Step number 3, in difference in the individual value, $1.50 more than the cup. Okay, so this $1.50 makes up the value of all the sixes. Or the 6 is because, sorry, there are only 3 6. I said too many sixes. All the 6 is because of $1.50. Each plate is $1.50 more than each cup. So how many of $1.50 are there to make up $6 would be the value. So this one is one plate. But remember, they will add up to a total of $6. So we are going to find out right now how many plates there are in 1 unit. So 1 unit would be equivalent to 6 divided by $1.50. And that will give us 4. I've got 4 plates or 4 cups. Okay? Because do you remember this unit over here, right? There's 2 units. Each of this unit will represent a certain number of plates and the same number of cups. Okay? So, that means 1 unit is equivalent to 4 plates and 4 cups. So we are done with our units already. Why is it not? Okay, duplicate. We will go to solve our question. They ask for how many more cups than plate he buy. Okay, so how many more cups than plates did he buy? He bought cups 5 units, plates 3 units. So the difference is 2 units. Since I know that 1 unit is 4, how many is 2? 2 units would be 4 times 2, 8. So I've got 8 more cups than plates. That is the answer. Okay, so let's take a look at the overview. First step would be the difference in the total value. Okay, so step number 1, we looked for. Remember, do not skip the steps, okay? Just go by these steps, okay? Difference in total value. Use the information to get the price of all the cups and all the plates. The second step, we will write down the units. We'll deal with the units of each of the individual value. Plates, I have got 3 units. Cups, I have got 5 units. Then the last step, we will look at the difference in the individual values. Okay, so individual values, I'm going to split them into plates and cups. 1 unit of plate, and this is 1 unit of cups. Okay, Why did I draw them separately? It's because this is assuming that all the plates cost the same as all the cups. Okay? But in reality, they do not. The question said that they are more expensive. Each plate is $1.50 more expensive than each cup. That's why you've got this extra $6. And this extra $6 will tell us one unit has how many plates. One plate, $1.50, $1.50, $1.50, total gives you $6. So we can find that one unit is actually 4 plates and 4 cups. 4 plates over here, 4 plates here, 4 plates here, 4 cups, 4 cups, 4 cups, 4 and 4. Okay, the question then went on to ask us about how many more cups were bought. How many more cups were bought would be here, 2 units of cups. And 2 units of cups is 8.